Hey,
Have you looked at the ingredients on your dryer sheets lately?
there's some scary stuff in there.
That's why we came up with an all-natural dryer sheet recipe for this month's box.
We're gonna use essential oils and vinegar to make a natural dryer sheet that you can reuse over and over.
Let's check it out.
You'll wanna grab your recipe card and your labels. And we're going to be using these cotton squares from our recipe box. You can also cut up an old cotton t-shirt, that works as well.
And also, you'll need 10 drops of tangerine essential oil and 10 drops of clean and fresh, as well as 2 drops of thyme essential oil. And from your kitchen, you're gonna wanna grab vinegar and a sealable container.
This recipe is ridiculously easy to make. You just grab your jar and your vinegar, and then we're gonna add our essential oils, 10 drops of each. Now if you wanted, you could use our natural solubilizer. This is a product that mixes essential oils throughout a liquid. You would add our essential oils in a little bowl with half a teaspoon of solubilizer, stir it up really good, and then slowly stir it into the vinegar.
We're adding 10 drops of clean and fresh, 10 drops of tangerine, and 2 drops of thyme.
You can shove them in there one by one. There we go. Just go whoop, 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 and now they're all wet. And to use them, you might need to give it a little bit of a shake. You just grab that top cotton square, throw it in your dryer, and you're ready to go.
The little cotton squares will get frayed from doing laundry, so you can cut up another shirt if you want to add new ones.
To learn how to use essential oils to make your own laundry recipes, go to simplyearth.com/box and subscribe to this month's recipe box.
We're so excited to share more fun recipes just like this with you. See you later. Don't forget your label.